Example 5.3. Many of the diagrams given in the figure shows magnetic field lines. Point out what is wrong with them. Some of them may describe electrostatic field lines correctly. Point out which ones. Okay, we'll start with the first diagram. First diagram, these are positive charges are given here. This shows the radial field. This is radial field outward from a point. It is correct for electric field lines, but magnetic monopole does not exist, so it is wrong for magnetic field lines. Now we'll go for second diagram. Carefully observe the second diagram. Here field lines are crossing each other, so it is not correct for electric as well as magnetic field lines. They never cross each other. Now we'll go for diagram C. In diagram C, their field lines are circular, but this arrow marks are not in the same direction. Some of the arrows represent clockwise, some of the arrow represents anti-clockwise. Because of this is also wrong. Circular loops, but not consistent direction, so it is a wrong representation. Now we'll go for diagram D. Here, these field lines are shown with the parallel lines. It is incorrect because magnetic field lines are not parallel outside. They must curve and form closed loops. Okay. Now we'll go for diagram E. Yes. In diagram E, suppose this is the field lines. It is going from south to north, outside north to south loop. So it is perfectly correct for magnetic field lines. Then we'll go for the diagram numbers. Picture number F. Here, two plates are given and field lines are going from one to other. Plates. So it is wrong for magnetic field, may be correct for electric field lines like capacitor-like structure. Magnetic field lines never start or end on plates. Okay. Now we'll go for the last diagram. Here, field lines N and S is represented. They are coming out and joining with the south. But why it is wrong? Magnetic field lines between pole pieces cannot be precisely straight. So they are precisely straight is there. So it is not possible. So it is wrong for magnetic field lines, but it may be correct for electric field lines.